Hey gamers, ready to take flight with the Aviator game on your phone? It's super thrilling and really straightforward. Let's jump right into it. First up, you need to choose a reputable online casino or betting platform. Aviator is quite popular, so you'll find it on many sites. Look for licensed and regulated platforms like Hollywood Bets, Betway, or 10Bet. Make sure they have mobile-friendly websites or dedicated apps for the best experience. Check user reviews and ratings to ensure reliability. Got your platform? Awesome. Step 2 is creating an account or logging in if you already have one. New users will need to register and verify their identity, but if you're returning, just log in. Now, if you're playing for real money, you'll need to deposit funds. Reputable platforms offer secure payment methods like credit cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. Just follow the platform's instructions, but be mindful of any minimum deposit requirements or fees. All right, you're logged in and funded. Step 4. Find the Aviator game. Navigate to the game's lobby or casino section. Look under categories like crash games or instant games, or just use the search function. Tap on the Aviator game icon to open it up. Once you're in, you'll see the game interface. There's a betting area where you enter your bet amount. The multiplier starts at 1x and increases as the plane flies higher. Your goal is to tap the cash out button before the plane flies away. Simple, right? Place your bets before the round starts. You might be able to place 2 separate bets with different strategies. Watch the plane and the multiplier and remember to cash out at the right moment. Lastly, manage your bets and play responsibly. Start with smaller bets, use the auto cash out feature if available, set a budget and stick to it. Remember, Aviator is all about timing and chance. Ready to soar? Enjoy the thrilling gameplay and always play responsibly.